Hello, my name is Rishabh, and for the grade 9 business project, my fake business is called Dream Bean Cafe. We had to make a website for our summative, and here's my website. I have used Wix, and for the first page, and right now I'm on the home page, it shows who the owner is, which is Rishabh Bhatia. And again, my company's name is Dream Bean Cafe. And in the back, you can see an animated image of what's going on every single day in our coffee store. In our home page, we talk about truly great coffee and how coffee is more than just something that you drink on a daily basis whenever you're tired. So reading that will really open up your eyes on how coffee influences our society. And as you guys know, everyone's been drinking coffee for the last 10 years. The amount of coffee consumption by our society has exponentially increased. So one of the main issues the coffee industry is facing is that very cheap vendors make coffee on high scales, so they're able to produce coffee very cheap and aren't putting in aren't using special beans, and beans are using very cheap beans. So our article over here highlights the main issues and how our cafe has been stepping up and going against that. So we have an article over here. If you click on the word article, it will take you to a link of the benefits of coffee. We have a video over here which you can watch, and it talks and just shows you how much hard work our employees put in every single day to produce great coffee for you. So if you would like updates about our cafe, you can type in your email over here and subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can email us at 679-236@pdsb.net. And as it's the 21st century, you can contact us on all of our social media, Twitter, and Instagram and Tumblr. So now we're gonna go into staff. So over here we're on the staff page, and we have a manager whose name is Sarah, Mia who's a barista, Lucas who's our accountant, Gabriel who's our greeter, and Ryan is our greeter as well. And if you would like to know specifics about their job, you can come onto our website and read about what they do every single day to make your experience at our cafe better. So now if we go to menu, we have drinks, and we have food including breakfast, sandwiches, salads, and salads. So all you have to do is you have to go on the underlink and go to drinks. And over here you can have a quick look at all of the drinks that we offer. And I promise you there will be one to your liking. Food, it talks about food over here and calorie consumption. It talks about what's in each kind of food, so it guarantees you to your perfection. And we are willing to make changes according to your dietary restrictions or how you like your meals. So we have our testimonials. We have one from Liam, Noah, Dawn, Emma, and Ava. You can read all of them, but I'll read you what Ava said. Ava says, excellent coffee and service, had a double espresso as well as a pour over. I was glad to see a Lava Zoco espresso machine in use, which produces top-notch shots de brew. Counterculture coffee, which is great. The staff seemed very knowledgeable and skilled at their craft. The artwork around the cafe was beautiful. Also, the decor was very delightful. Overall, a great experience. So if you want to see how other customers have enjoyed their experience at our cafe, please come and visit our website. So if you new and you don't really know where our store is, so we have About Us, so which tells you where our cafe is located. So it shows you it's on Queens and Main Street, but if you're not sure, you can look around and you can go on satellite and it shows you where it is. Or you can click on this walking sign and put where you are currently by zooming out in or zooming out, and you can put where you are currently and it will tell you where you're supposed to go. Or you can just put in the address. It's 32 Kennedy Road, Brampton, Ontario. And then here's a phone number if you ever have to contact us, and the hours of opening, days, hours, and here are our timings. So as you can see, here's our logo. And now that you're on the last page and you want to get back to the front page, all you have to do is click on the bottom subheading, and then you're back to the front of our website. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this short presentation, and hopefully you come to our cafe and enjoy your visit. Thank you and have a great, great day.